If you've bought, sold, swapped, or even just moved crypto in the last few years, HMRC almost certainly already knows about it. Not might know, knows. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how and exactly what to do before they come to you instead of the other way around. Quick context on who's telling you this. I'm FCCA qualified over a decade in UK practice, and I've sat across the table from clients who got exactly this letter. This isn't theory picked up from a forum, it's what HMRC actually does and how people actually get caught out. Here's the bit most people get wrong. You don't owe tax just because your crypto went up in value. You owe tax when you dispose of it. That word matters because disposal is a lot broader than I sold it for cash. Selling for pounds counts. But so does swapping one coin for another. So does spending it on something. So does gifting it to anyone other than your spouse. Every single one of those is a taxable event under UK law, and most people only ever think about the first one. Sell for GBP, taxable. Swap ETH for a SOL, taxable. Buy a coffee with Bitcoin, taxable. Move coins between your own wallets, not taxable. Buy and simply hold, not taxable. That last distinction is the one that trips people up least, and the swap rule is the one that trips people up most. Here's the part that should actually worry you. HMRC isn't guessing anymore. Starting this year, every UK crypto exchange, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, all of them has to start collecting your full transaction history under a new rule called the Cryptoasset reporting framework. And from next May, they start handing that data straight to HMRC, not if asked, automatically, every year. This is the same Connect system that cross-references banks, land registries, and now exchanges all in one place. If the numbers on your tax return don't match what the exchange already reported, that mismatch gets flagged automatically. No human has to go looking for it. And this isn't waiting for 2026 to start. HMRC has been collecting exchange data since 2021. Coinbase alone already shares the details of any UK customer holding more than £5,000 in crypto. The nudge letters prove it. 8,300 sent in 2021 to 2022, 27,700 in 2023 to 2024, and almost 65,000 in the year just gone. That's not a system warming up. That's a system already running, years before the new reporting rules even take effect. And the allowance that used to give people cover has been quietly gutted. 2022, it was 12,300. 2023, 6,000. Now it's £3,000. A profit that would have been completely tax-free 3 years ago can trigger a real bill today. Miss it. And it isn't just the tax you owe. HMRC can charge penalties of up to 30% of the unpaid tax if they judge the mistake careless, up to 70% if they decide it was deliberate, and up to 100% if they decide it was deliberate and you tried to hide it. On top of that, interest accrues from the day the tax was originally due, not the day they catch you. I want to be really specific about what this looks like in practice, because tax mismatch sounds abstract until it's your name on the letter. Say you bought Bitcoin in 2020 for £800 and this year you swapped half of it for Ethereum when it was worth £6,000. On paper, you never touched a bank account, but you made a £5,200 gain. The exchange already has that on record, and once full reporting kicks in, HMRC will already have it before you file. Bought £800, swapped at £6,000, gain £5,200, allowance £3,000, taxable amount £2,200 at 18 or 24% depending on your income band. It's not just selling or swapping that creates a bill. Say instead of trading, you're staking, locking up your coins to earn a reward. HMRC treats every reward you receive as income the moment it lands in your wallet, valued in pounds on that exact day, taxed at your normal income tax rate. Then, if you later sell or swap that same reward, it triggers a second separate tax event, capital gains, calculated fresh from whatever it was worth when you received it. 2 taxable moments from one reward, and most people only ever account for one of them. Reward lands in your wallet, income tax, valued in pounds that day. You later sell or swap it, capital gains tax on top. One reward, two separate tax events, two separate rules. None of this is a reason to panic, and it's definitely not a reason to avoid looking at it. It's a reason to get ahead of it because the penalties scale with how long it takes for the truth to come out, and it always comes out. If you're realizing you've already got a few years wrong, there's a formal way to fix it before HMRC fixes it for you. HMRC runs a dedicated crypto asset disclosure facility. You tell them what you missed and pay what's owed on terms considerably better than getting caught first. How far back you have to go depends on why the mistake happened. 4 years for an honest error, 6 for carelessness, up to 20 if it was deliberate. Only a little over £4 million has come through this route so far, despite more than 100,000 people being written to directly. Most of that gap isn't people getting away with it. It's people not knowing the route exists. Over 100,000 people written to directly, just £4,154,000 disclosed through the proper route so far. That gap is the opportunity and the risk, depending which side of it you're on. So here's what to actually do. Keep a running log of every disposal, sales, swaps, spends, gifts, the date, the value in pounds at that moment, and the gain or loss. Use a crypto tax calculator to handle the cost basis maths for you, because doing it by hand across dozens of trades is where people quietly make errors nobody catches. And if your total gains for the year are anywhere near £3,000, assume you need to file. Don't wait to be told. 1. Log every disposal. 2. Value everything in pounds on the day it happened. 3. Run it through a calculator, not a guess. 4. File before the 31st of January deadline, even if the number is small. HMRC built this system so they wouldn't have to chase you. The data does that for them now. The only real choice left is whether you're the one who reports it first or the one who gets the letter. If this helped, subscribe. I break down exactly how UK tax actually works, no jargon, every week.